This is a short video overview on how to embed hyperlinks or embed Google Docs within an assignment if you only want to provide instructions for students. I'll make another separate video on how to make it so that when a student accesses a Google Doc that they make their own copy so that they can type and edit within the Google Doc assignment. So this is just only if you want to take some instructions you've made in a Google Doc and embed it within the instructions of an assignment. So there's really only two ways you can do this. You can create a hyperlink to your Google Doc if you don't want to retype or copy and paste, or you can just simply copy and paste your instructions. So if you're using a hyperlink and you're editing your assignment, you can type in the name of the assignment, and you can just direct students to find instructions for this assignment here. And so once I have that typed, I select the word here or whatever word you want them to click on to take them to instructions, and then I click this little chain icon in my menu, link to URL, and then I go to my Google Doc that I want students to be able to access the instructions, and I'll click share, get shareable link, and make sure, like for example, usually when it's a Blue Valley document, it only make sure anyone with a link can view, not just Blue Valley network, because our network is different than the student network, so it's really, really important that you make it so that anyone with a link can view. You can also make it so they can comment if you want, but if you're just sharing instructions, you probably just want them to be able to see it. So then you click that copy link button, toggle back to Canvas, paste in there, insert link, and you'll notice now that that word here is colored in blue, and when I hover over it, it has an underline, so that when I make the assignment, students should be able to just click and it should take them into the Google Doc so they can view instructions that way. Okay. Another way you can do it is I'm just going to go over to my Google Doc with my instructions. I'm going to click Command A on my Mac keyboard and to select the entire document, Command C to copy, and then I'm going to go back to my assignment, and within my text box I can just click Command V, and now all of my instructions are just copy and pasted. You may lose some of your features like your font and stuff like that, but the instructions are there. Then I can click Save, and students should be able to read my instructions. Easy peasy.